What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, a Welsh graffiti artist, and today I am at Ysgol Llwyncelyn, and this is my lovely wall. It is a big old wall, and this is how we got here. So here is the wall in question. It starts this way, goes all the way around to there. So it's a pretty big wall. It's on a sloping bit of tarmac. So I've got my home jet wash set up here, and we've been cleaning off the wall. So this is what they kind of look like now. This is what they look like before. So yeah, that is how big this wall is. I am quite a far way back. That is the section I've cleaned already, as you can tell, but I just need to get the rest of it cleaned and prepped for tomorrow's painting. Given the wall a haircut now, I've got rid of all the bushes that are hanging down, all the vines. I'm just about to start jet washing, so I started this section and I got a little bit sidetracked, and as you can probably tell, yes, I wrote my name on the wall. So yeah, give a graffiti artist a jet wash and he will write his name. I'm going to get this corner section done as best as I can, or as much of it as I can. So tomorrow when I come, I'm hoping to bring a special guest to help me with painting. So if I can get this corner section done, then the painting can carry on. Probably a long boring start to this video, but it is me jet washing, so I'll probably see you next when it's all done. So yeah. So like I said yesterday, I'm going to have a special guest come in. And the special guest is jet washing at the moment. And there's another special guest there, and there's another special guest there. Yes, I've pulled in my family to come in and help me. So this is day 3. I've been here a while. I've just added the last bit of stabilizing solution. No label on this one. There you are. Stabilizing solution. What that does is it acts like a barrier, like a bit like a glue really. So we've done this section now ready for paint. Oh yes! So we are finally all done with the roller. It's taken 2 days, mind, to get it all white. And here's some shots. Whew. So yeah, that is all the work I have done so far. I have jet washed it, I have put some stabilizing solution on there, I've done painted it all white, I've had help from my wife in this. A lot has gone on in the last 3 days, but now it's day 4 and it's time to paint. I put up a little post on Facebook last night showing you guys the wall. You all seem to be very excited to see what's going on with this one. So I'm going to mark out a load of stuff today, hopefully get some sort of painting done, and we can start taking some sort of shape. So yeah, let's go and mark out some letters. I'm absolutely buzzing. Like, this is just like, this is crazy. Like, the letters are so big. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera on here, like, because obviously I use quite a light grey just to do the marking out, and obviously it's a bit sketchy and things like that. Every time I do a letter, I get more and more excited about this. It's just crazy. It's a little bit overwhelming how big it is, but I'm really excited to get this started now and get some paint on the wall, actually, like, start getting the shapes of everything. The thing I'm going to try and do is going to try and mark out as much as the background as I can and go from there. People ask me, how would you do all this stuff? And basically I just make it up. There is no rule book, there is no way that you're supposed to do any of this. It's just make it up and see what happens. And that's what I kind of do. I'm just going to get the background done and sorted, and I'll come in and break down what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So I've got all my letters marked out, I've got all my sky in now, all the way down to the bottom. I've got to add in some green when I come back next week, because it is Thursday, Good Friday tomorrow. Won't be doing anything tomorrow all weekend because I'm having it off. Because I haven't had a weekend off for God knows how long. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the shield in here. I'm going to doodle grid it. I've had a load of people yesterday message me with their names that they want to put in my doodle grid. So I'm going to grid out this shield, which is the school emblem. Before we put the time lapse on, I'll show you my doodle grid. So yeah, thank you for everyone that's messaged me with their names to go in my doodle grid. I've put you all in on the first piece here now, and I'm going to use that as a grid to mark out where everything goes inside my shield or my school emblem. But yeah, thanks for doing that, and here we go, on with the painting. First thing I need to do today is get some paint mixed up, which is 3 tones of green, which is going to be like the bottom 2/3 of the mural. Get it all mixed up, get down to location, and get this wall painted. It's a bit colder today than it was last week. We are expecting snow at some point this week, but we'll see if that really happens. Be interesting to see you painting in the snow. Let's go. So as you can see, we've got the Hollywood sign going on here with the mountains in the background and everything. So yeah, I'm going to work on the W first. Then tomorrow I'm going to spend most of my time working on the Ysgol bit, and then when it comes to finishing off the rest of the painting, I'll do that towards the end of the week. But I just really need to concentrate on getting all the letters done now. And I'm hoping that you can hear me, but it's quite windy. We've had snow today, we've had sun, we've had rain, we've had everything. So it's a nice day to do painting. I'll reveal everything towards the end, so I'm going to keep it nice and tight now so you can't see much of the painting, and we can all enjoy the end together. So day 6 done, and I've got a lot done. So I've done George North and Gareth Bale. They're now done. I'm going to work on the Ysgol now for the rest of the week. So Thursday, tomorrow, Friday, work on Ysgol, and hopefully get in the double L's as well on Llwyncelyn. The next weekend will just be home run, getting the rest of Llwyncelyn finished and the background done. But all in all, really happy with everything, how everything is going. And this is just a marathon of me just painting every single letter now. Yeah, I'm gonna stick this all on like a montage of me painting, because everybody loves a montage. So here we go. Day 7. we have just beaten the rain for today. I've now got 5 letters done altogether, but next weekend is the full-on grind to get this one done. Really happy with everything so far. It's turning out pretty sick, and yeah, I can't wait to give you guys a reveal of it all at the end. Bit of a slow start this morning. It has stopped raining now. It's all going really well. It's just a ball ache to climb, and it's only ever so slight, the incline on this schoolyard, but it does take it out of you. Ooh. God, it's only small, and I'm knackered. Ooh. We are on to the final day. I have finally finished all of the background, done all the little bits of touching up around the edges and stuff. I've tidied up all of the bits I need to tidy up. The only thing I have left to do is the 2 letter ends in Llwyncelyn. We have the choir and the folk dancing one, and then we are all done. I want to put some windmills in the background. I got to add some goal posts up the other end of the mural for all the lads who want to play football. Yeah, but all in all, it's coming to an end, and it's been a mammoth of 3 weeks, from the cleaning to the cutting down of all of the fern that was coming over the top and all the vine. Just getting everything up on the wall has just been a mammoth of a task. We've had the weather behind us all the way, which has been absolutely brilliant, and I am absolutely taken aback by how it's all come out. And one more day, one big push, and then we are out of here. So I'll see you tomorrow for the last 2 the choir and the folk dancing, and then we can wrap this thing up, and then I can show you what we have done. But yeah, it's pretty good. Let's go.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
And yeah, what a great painting. Llwyncelyn, and I'd like to thank everybody at Ysgol Llwyncelyn for all their kind words throughout this mural, and especially to Mr. Ashcroft and Mr. Reese, the headmaster, for allowing me to come in and do this mural in the first place. I really do appreciate you guys allowing me to do such a big project at your school. And that is it from me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.